yung aspeto na yon. Number 6, be continual learner. Palagi ka dapat open for learning. No? Kasi the best way to keep from becoming satisfied with your current achievements is to make yourself a continual learner. If you want to be a continual learner and keep growing throughout your life, you'll have to carve out the time to do it. No? You'll have to do what you can wherever you are. Sabi nga ni Henry Ford, no? It's been my observation that most successful people get ahead during the time other people waste their time. Continual learner. Halimbawa, every morning natututo ka, may inaaral ka. Kahit 15 to 20 minutes lang a day. While most people never strive or never intend to continuously grow. Ano tingin mo mangyayari after 5 years? Mas madami ka bang matututunan? Ang simple analogy ko nga lang, no? What if every single day, you give 30 minutes of your time continuously learning? Every day. 30 minutes in 1 year, how many is that? How many hours is that? 30 minutes times 300 days na lang. Siyempre, siguro 65 days o 60 days, pahinga ka doon. 300 days na lang. Ilan yun? 30 minutes times 300 days. That is 150 hours. 150 hours of learning. If you divide it by 8 hours o 10 hours na lang, 15 days. Para kang nagkulong sa kwarto mo for 15 days na 10 hours per day na nag-aral ka. Tingin mo sino mas lamang sa kaalaman? Ikaw na meron kang 15 total days of learning every year o yung walang natutunan o hindi nag-strive for learning. Kaya dapat be a continual learner. Kasi yun ang magiging edge mo over your peers, over your competition. Continuously nag-learn ka. No? Lalo ngayon, we live in a very competitive world na nandyan na lahat ng information. At kung hindi mo ginagamit yung mga information na yan na pwede mong i-search at i-apply sa buhay mo, mahuhuli ka.